In today's video, I will show you how to configure Xiaomi TV Box S 3rd Gen after a factory reset. Go to Settings. Go to System. Go to About. Go to Reset. Click on Factory Reset. Select Factory Reset. Choose the option to erase everything. Wait for the TV box to restart and erase all data. The reset of Xiaomi TV Box S 3rd generation has been completed. Now pair the Xiaomi TV Box remote with the box. Press the Home and TV buttons to pair the remote. Now the remote is paired with the TV box. Select your language and region. Click on Manual Setup. Connect the TV box to Wi-Fi. Now add your Google account to your TV box. Enter your Google account password. Click Accept. Click No Thanks. Click Allow. Click Confirm. Select Increased. Now press the button on the right side of your remote 3 times. Click to go to Google TV. The configuration of the Xiaomi TV Box S 3rd Gen is now complete after performing a factory reset.